Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Beatrice and I am a part-time reseller on Poshmark Canada. When I first started selling on Poshmark Canada, I did not have any money at all to purchase poly mailers, boxes, plastic wrapping, bubble wrap. What I did to get free packaging is that I went to the dollar store, Walmart, Staples, and I asked the employees there if they had any boxes that they didn't need anymore. And of course, they did. They had a lot of boxes and I took the boxes. That is freeness. Now, another thing that I did was I asked friends and family members to save their boxes from their orders, their purchases. Don't forget, you need to sanitize the boxes, spray it down with Lysol, wipe it down, and leave it for 24 hours, 48 hours to be sanitized properly. I know someone that works at a warehouse and the warehouse was closing down. So I asked them for anything that they were throwing away. And I got lucky and I got these little clear plastic wrappers, 100. And yeah, I got a box of 100 for free. You can, and I also got these little bubble wrappers or bubble packaging, and these ones too, the bubble wraps. I got all of this for free from the warehouse. Another thing that I did was I was on an auction site and someone must have ordered poly mailers and they didn't like it, so they returned it. So of course the company was trying to make their money back. I got these. I got 1,000 in a box for $20. So if you do your math, that's 2 cents for each poly mailer. And these are good poly mailers, really, really, really strong. The only thing I didn't like about these poly mailers was that the logo at the front, but to solve that, I just put the mail address sticker onto the logo just to cover it up, so that solved my problem there. But other than that, these are really good. They're really good for 2 cents, can't go wrong, and I got 1,000 of them. So if you are a first-time reseller on any site, do not go and purchase the poly mailers, the bubble wraps, the plastic wrapping, or the boxing. You can get all of these for free. Just go out there and look for it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video, and I will see you next time.